Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking chili dogs. These might not be the sexiest hot dogs, but they taste amazing. The pop of the dog with a chili is a great mixture of texture and flavour. To start off, light a chimney of charcoal. I'm using clean heat charcoal. Next, place a pan over the heat and add some oil. Then add to the pan half a diced onion, along with 1 diced clove of garlic. Cook until the onions start to become translucent. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Mix the spices through the onion. Then add 300 grams of beef mince. Begin to cook the mince while breaking it down into smaller and smaller pieces. Then season with salt and pepper, followed by 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Mix through and continue to cook. For some extra flavour, add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire Sauce, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of sugar. Finally, add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Cook until most of the liquid is cooked out. Move the pan indirect to the coals to keep warm. Place your hot dogs on the grill and cover with the lid. This should take about 10 minutes. Also, don't forget to toast your buns. All that's left to do is to serve it up. Place the hot dogs in the bun and top with some of that chili, and there you have it, chili dogs. These hot dogs aren't going to win any beauty prizes, but they're packed full of flavour. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.